What are you talking about? I'm not taking pictures. I'm making a video.
Auntie.
You're on the video. You have to talk.
Hey.
Tell me about what you were just talking about.
I'm just talking about honky horns.
What are honky horns?
Like Gabe. Talk about it.
Gabe was talking about it? How do you know?
Because what's our name?
What?
Honky horns. Talk to number aim. Name. Like me.
That's your name?
Honky horns. Rub it on my head. Honky horn. Honky horn. Honky
Wear it on your head? How are you going to wear it on your head?
Like that honky horn.